Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show us how we can find the value of sine x degree using this diagram. For a solution, for us to find sine x degree, we have to use sine rule. We have cosine rule and we have sine rule. Alright, so what is sine rule? Sine rule says that if we have sine, let's label this first. So I want to label this P, Q, R. Alright, so now these are the angles, then the side. If this is angle R, then this place will be small r, that is side R. If this is angle Q, this side will be small q. And lastly, this side will be small p. Alright, and what does sine rule say? It said sine P over P is equals to sine Q over Q equals to sine R over R. Okay, this is sine rule. Let me write it here. This is sine rule. Right, so from what we have in this place, both the angle P and side P are empty. So we don't really need this. Alright, so what we need to do is to equate this to this because we have Q and we also have R. Alright, so from here, what is our Q? Our Q is the x degree. So we write x degree. Then what is our Q, our small letter q? It is A. Alright, so this side is small letter q, and what we have there is A. Then equals to sine R. What is our angle R? 60 degrees. And our side R, what do we have there? We have 3A. Okay, now we know what sine 60 degrees is. Sine 60 degree, let me write this again. Sine 60 degree, it's the same thing as root 3 over 2, everything over 3a, and then we can cross multiply. Right, so we cross multiply, this multiply this, and this multiply this. So we have sine x degree multiplied by 3, okay, 3a equals to, then this multiplied by this, we have a multiplying root 3 over 2. Okay, so from here we can divide both sides by 3a. Divide both sides by 3a, so we have sine x degree equals to a multiplied by root 3 over 2 divided by 3a, and then from here this a we cancel this a. Then we have sine x degree equals to root 3 over 2 divided by 3, and then root 3 over 2 divided by 3, if you do it this way, root 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 1, then it changes to times 1 over 3, and we have 2 times 2, which will give us 6. So the whole of this now will give us sine x degree equals to root 3 over 6, and that is the value of sine x degree we have to find. Sine x degree equals to root 3 over 6. Let's try something similar. Okay, so I have this diagram. Okay, this is 4b, this is 2b, then I have this place to be 40 degrees, y here is y degrees. Right, so you have to find the value of sine y degree. Alright, so find sine y degree. Now drop your answer in the comment section, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. See you next time.